Good day, students. Today we want to solve problem on equation. What we need to do is to change this expression by writing 3x, bring x close to this 3 and take the 2 outside. Still the same thing. We're trying to simplify the problem. Okay, now minus 6 times 3 raised by x plus 8 equal to 0. Let's assume. We are assuming like that, you go back to it back. Now let n equals 3 raised by x. Now replace, now since you are assuming, now replace it. M squared minus 6 times m plus 8 equals to 0. M squared minus 6 times n, that's minus 6m plus 8 equals to 0. Now you have a coefficient of m squared to be 1. When you multiply 1 with this to give you m squared back, you multiply the coefficient of m squared with the constant 8. 1 times 8 equals to 8. You now think of two numbers. When you add it together, it will give you 8. When you multiply together, it will give you 8. And when you add it together, it will give you minus 6. And the numbers is 2 minus 2 times minus 4. Will give you 8. That's what you are looking for. Now you must add it at the same time. Must give you what is at the middle. Minus 2 plus minus 4 has minus 6. Now replace it back. Now m squared minus 2m minus 4m plus 8 equals to 0. Now let's factorize. Let's factorize what's common. M into m. 1m has come out. Minus 2. Remaining 2. Minus what's common. 4. Leave out m. 4 goes in 8 2 times. But minus times minus positive will give you negative. This next sign will change it. Minus times negative times positive give you negative. That's minus 2. Also equal to 0. When they are the same side of the bracket, you bring 1 out. M minus 2 bracket m minus 4 equal to 0. You now have m minus 2 equal to 0 or m minus 4 equal to 0. Now take to the other side. M equals 0 plus 2 or m equal to 0 plus 4. 0 plus 2 is 2 or m equals to 4. Now we have to go back to the initial stage where we assume. Now let's say when m equals to 2, you now replace the back. 2 equals 3 raised by x, which means you can still write it as 3 raised by x equals to 2. Now what you need to do is to find the logarithm of both sides. When you say something like this, you now say log 3 raised by x base 10, log 3 by x base 10 equals log 2. To come to the front, x will move in indices, s will move to the front. X log 3 equals log 2. Divide both sides by log 3. Log 3. Log 3 cancel log 3. X equals log 2 over log 3. What's log 2? Log 2 is 0.3010 divided by log 3, 0.4771. When you divide it directly, it will give you this answer, but I want us to follow the number log. Now you have 0.3010 and 0.4771. Now in this case, since you're having decimal number, you shift to the point in which you have one figure to the left. When you shift ones, that's bar 1. Introduce your bar 1 point. Check 30 under 1 difference of a 0. You have 4, 7, 8, 6. The same thing, shift ones so that you have bar 1. Now check 47 under 7 differences of 1. Difference of 1, you have 6, 7, 8, 6. Don't forget division is subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0, 8 minus 8 is 0, 7 is 0. Now 4 minus 6 is impossible. Borrow 1 from bar 1. This is it. You follow your number line. This is 0, 1, 2. Bar 1, bar 2. When you borrow 1 from 0, you come to negative side. Like now, if you borrow 1 from 2, you have 1. If you borrow 1 from 1, you have 0. If you borrow 1 from 0, you must come to negative 1. If you borrow 1 from minus 1, you come to negative 2. Now you borrow 1 from bar 1 to this place, you have 14. 14 minus 6, that's 8. Now this one turn to minus 2. You borrow 1 from minus 1, it comes to minus 2. That's enough. Minus 2 minus that is there before, that minus 1, minus 2 plus 1, that's bar 1. Now find the antilog of that. Check 80 under 0 difference of a 0. When you do that, you have 6, 6, 3, 1, 0. Now I told you that in our previous class that when you have bar 1, don't add 1 to it because of the bar, but you only add just a 0 point, so that when you shift from left to the front, shift like this, it will give you your bar 1 back. The number of shifts from left to the right tells you what you have, so that you have one figure to the left. Let me say this is bar 2 now. You must add 0.0631 because you now shift 1, 2 to get one figure to the left. But in this case, we are not having bar 2, we are having bar 1. You shift, you put 0 points here. You don't need to add 0 again, but you have to shift once to get bar 1. Now let's see when m equals to 4. Now if you place it back, 4 equals 3 raised by x. Find the log of both sides. Log 4. Okay, let's change it. Now 3 raised by x equals to 4. Now log 3 raised by x equals to log 4. As we come to the front, x log 3 equals to log 4. Divide both sides by log 3, divided by log 3. Log 3 cancel log 3. You now have x to be equals to log, you have x to be equals to log 4 over log 3. Now we need to solve this. Now x equals was log 4. Log 4 is 0.6021 divided by log 3 is 0.4771. You can divide it and get your answer, but once also get used to number log 0.6021, and we have 0.4771. now shift once to get one figure to the left, very important. Shift once by 1, check 60 under 2 difference of 1, we have 7797. we check the difference of 1, you add it to, we check 60 under 2, write it down, difference of 1, the value you see under it, you add it to what you have, you get this also is by 1.47 under 7 difference of 1, you have 6786. but because of division introduce negative, you want to subtract 7 minus 6 1 1, 9 minus 8 1, 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 6 1. now minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, minus times minus positive 1, minus 1 plus 1, that's 0, that is equal 0. Find the antilog, check 10 under 1 difference of 1, and check you have 1262. Now since you have 0 here and not negative value, you add 1 to 0, 0 plus 1 give you 1, you just shift once. When you have whole number without negative, that's not negative, you add 1 to whatever you have as your characteristics. 0 plus 1 give you 1, shift once, you add your decimal at this point. Okay, that's our answer. Okay, we put this here like this so that you don't forget. Shift once, shift once. Okay, because we are shifting once because you add 1 to 0 to have you to give you 1. That's why we are shifting once. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.